going on today, fam? So today we're going to be doing a quick brake upgrade on the Z06. It's already up, wheels off, all that good stuff. So I got Carbotech XP10 pads, and I have 14-inch rotors. On the front, I'm going to be doing a quick little upgrade for my Wilwood big brake kit. Right now, it's up on 13-inch rotors, and it has Webesto ST43 pads, which they're a bit worn, as you can see, and my rotors have cracks in them, bunch of little stretch fractures, so we're gonna go ahead and get all that swapped out, and we're gonna go through the process. But since these are a two-piece rotor, we have to have our safety wire. We got our safety wiring tool. I got a brake caliper spreader and all that stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the old calipers first. And they have a 21mm caliper mounting bolt. This one right here, one underneath. I'm gonna pull off the whole caliper, then I'll pull off the old rotors, and then we'll get bit. Old rotors are out. As you can see, they're pretty worn. You can't even see the grooves anymore. You can see where they used to be grooves at. So yeah, these were done. And yeah, so this is what makes them two-piece. So as you can see, these little bolts on the back or whatever, I'm gonna have to take all those off. And then I'll be able to separate the actual top hat for the rotor and from the rotor ring itself. So I'm gonna cut all these and we'll go ahead and knock that out. All right, y'all, so I got my top hats and rotors separated. As you can see, old rotors are chilling right down on the ground. So now what we're going to do is going to install the top hats on the new rotors. So all I'm gonna do is line these up with the holes, take my old bolts right here with a washer, reinstall them all, then torque these to 11 foot-pounds. I'm gonna add a little bit of blue Loctite just for a little bit of safety, and then I'm gonna attempt to safety wire this. Never done it before, but can't be that difficult. All right, so I got both of these rotors all safety wired up. It didn't come out amazingly, if I'm being honest, but I think it's good enough for government work. So now I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall my rotors, put back on my calipers, and we're gonna change out our pads, and we should be good to go. All right, y'all, I'm back in this another day, but as you can see, I got everything installed. I got the bigger rotors, but it did not come without its own set of trials and tribulations. So what I had to do in order to make these fit was add some spacers right here and right here into the caliper mounting bracket. What that did was push the caliper out this way because my caliper, so my rotor was hitting my caliper, but now we are good. She is spinning like she's supposed to. Another thing I had to do was reorientate my actual brake line because it was going up and hitting the wheel, but unfortunately I didn't catch that soon enough and my brake line got bent. So I'm gonna need a new brake line for sure. Another thing I noticed is these tires are done. You can see cord, which is fine because I'm ordering new tires, no big deal, no harm, no foul. I'm not gonna really be driving this like that right now anyway. But just a quick update on where the Vette stands. So it needs a few more things that I gotta get done. So one, I gotta get my long tubes. I'm still on my stock exhausts right now. I need to send back my PCM in to get the tune like looked at, because there was something and then my tuner like forgot on accident, so he just has to fix that. So my check engine light will go away, and my traction control has an issue. This little like traction control box up here, I guess it's bad, so I'm gonna have to replace that also. I need to upgrade my front sway bar, and I'm getting the new SLR Speed angle kit bracket, so they're gonna send me that. Like they use like my video and for their page, so that's pretty dope. So those guys are really cool. What else? Oh, and I gotta get a MGW short shifter, and then I have to go get the whole car aligned, and then I think the Vette will be good to go after that. Man, there's been so much stuff with this car, but I'm glad I got the brakes taken care of, but still more stuff to go. Oh, another issue I ran into was, what you won't be able to see, but the actual stud that runs and through the mounting bracket and through the caliper, it's too short, like for the spacers. So I don't have enough thread penetration on the nut. So what I'm gonna do is, like when I leave and back to the States, like for 6 weeks, I'm actually going to go ahead and take the stud with me, and I'll take it to the machine shop, and I'll get 4 of those made, and I'll have them extended like 3/4 of an inch, and then that should be enough. So, yep. Everything is all upgraded. Let me bring her down so y'all can see how it looks sitting. Ooh, those rotors look so much more meaty though, like immediately, so much more meaty. And these are factory 18s, by the way. I'm running 18 squared, so you can see that looks a lot better. It fills up the wheels a lot more, gives a real aggressive look. So I definitely like the way that it looks, but as always, I got more work to do up on the car. I'm trying to get the car sorted out because I really just want to drive it, drama-free, be able to travel, go wherever I want to with the car. So hopefully like that will be happening in the near future. But thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you want to know anything about like this Wilwood kit, I got you. Once everything is settled on the car, I'm gonna be doing a full review up on it again with everything sorted how I want it to be. But thanks for watching. I'm out. Maybe I'm not out. Please do like and subscribe. And one more thing. So I still have to get my rear spoiler reinstalled. I was waiting like for some mounts to come for that. Those came in. Unfortunately, I just haven't had enough time to install. Oh man, lens is all dirty. I guess that's a little bit clearer for y'all now. But yeah, so waiting on all that stuff. But as always, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm out.